Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create rewind effect using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, I'm going to use CapCut PC. And first of all, I'm going to add my video to the timeline. And wait, let me cut the video to make the process faster. Okay, I'm going to cut it here. And I'm going to speed up the video so we can go to the speed menu, and I'm going to make the duration is around 30 seconds. Wait. Okay, and then guys, I'm going to reverse the video. We can go to the reverse menu. Okay, and now it's done. It will be like this. And then I'm going to add rewind overlay. This one guys, I got this rewind overlay from the internet. You just need to search rewind overlay. Okay, and then I'm going to blend the video. Go to the blend menu right here and then choose the overlay. And I'm going to reduce the opacity and let's see it. Okay, like this. And I'm going to add glitch effect. I'm going to go to the effect menu and you're going to search glitch. And if you have CapCut Pro, you can choose snow glitch, but if you don't have CapCut Pro, you can use this glitch effect. It's free. Alright guys, and that's how we can create rewind effect using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!